many drinks you got over there? I see 2 waters, Celsius, Dr. Pepper.
I don't
here.
always give you the camera, and
then
you
there's
never
here,
shoot.
There's Chipotle. Oh look!
Listen,
there's Todd's snack cubby. Look at that.
Yo, you're not
Oh,
funny.
how are you gonna put that there? Oh, we're just gonna set. Oh, we're
Shut up, Sheila.
we're going to the gas station. You never can be too prepared.
Whatever.
Where are we going today, Todd?
I don't have any idea. That's the thing.
Isn't it lovely when somebody throws you a question like that?
I don't know where we're going. Yeah, I'm not used to you turning the camera on, so definitely caught me off guard.
It's annoying, eh?
Are we ready? Are we ready? We're ready.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
Sheila found us a little outing to go do here in Miami.
A little history.
A little history. Are you ready for some Todd history?
Oh no, I was gonna give him real history.
We're gonna find out.
The building was completed 8 years later in 1141, over 350 years before Columbus set sail for the New World.
Did you learn something?
I did learn something. We are at the old Spanish monastery inside Miami.
Yes, we're in North Miami Beach area.
Okay, because I didn't even look on a map. I have no idea where we're at.
They're not surprised.
Well, they may be surprised. Interesting that this was made 340 years before Columbus set sail to the United States. How did I do? Good?
It's good so far.
Okay.
That's how you keep going.
Okay, we're gonna give true facts because it was very impressive. It was made around 1100 AD in this little province outside of Spain, correct? Ooh, I'm on a roll. Then it was befuddled and broken down through some sort of war thing.
Not the whole thing.
Not the whole thing,
Not
but
the whole thing.
shambles. It was then purchased by William Hearst when he had all of his money, and then he started to refurbish everything, but then he broke it down stone by stone and numbered each stone.
Yes, and wasn't it 11,000 crate?
Yeah, and they placed it, yeah, in,
So
in 11,000 crates. And
Stone by stone, numbered and labeled as to how it needed to be put, and shipped it to the United States.
And then he gets it here. And he puts it in a warehouse.
Because of the Great Depression
Yeah,
in the 30s.
And he lost it all.
So he did,
Stuck in a warehouse for 26 years.
yes, and then then he died.
Yes,
So he never got to see it. So he never got to see it come together.
Then some multi-millionaire person purchased it out of the warehouse. Decided, we're gonna put this together like the biggest jigsaw puzzle in the world. Unpackaged. It took them how many days? Like 19 days?
Well, it took him 19 months altogether to put it back together.
But 19 days just to unpackage the stones, and it was like a one ton of nails. I mean, it's ridiculous. Then they started putting it all together like the jigsaw puzzle. That's what you're getting ready to see.
I think at school we're getting ready to see something in the United States that was built in 1100.
Yeah, that doesn't happen very often.
No.
There you go. There's something that I didn't even know existed.
Reassembled.
Reassembled.
Look at
right
that.
here.
Bringing you something off the beaten path.
And I didn't even like mess it up.
Well, we haven't finished, I'm sure.
Oh, well, that's all right. And there's lots of, yeah, there's a lizard. Sheila doesn't like reptiles. He's pretty friendly.
Yeah, I'm not a huge reptile fan.
But I guess 50,000 visitors a year come through here, and they have lots of quinceañeras, and they have lots of weddings and school.
There's a church.
There's a church, an Episcopal church actually runs everything now, and they actually have services here all the time. Not every day you see somebody having their picture taken with a horse and their wonderful dress. This is unique and different. I feel like I'm in an Indiana Jones movie. Wow.
Saw you paint a picture.
I want you to think about this for a second. Every one of these stones was numbered and had to be fit. Look at this.
I don't know what's more impressive, the fact that they took it down stone by stone and labeled it all, or put it back together.
In like the 1930s and 50s, between the 30s and the 50s before it all got reassembled. It's pretty impressive.
I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would.
It's just beautiful. Like this bronze right up here, this was what the monks used to call in when they were ready. So, and then you have the actual church.
Even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation.
I think it's fun because they've shot music videos here. I feel like I'm in Tomb Raider, like a movie. It's like a movie set in itself. They've shot movies here, right?
Yeah, it's good movies.
Music videos.
Haven't laid in 7 days.
Sheila has another unique perspective today. It's like you're finding these oddities in Miami.
Today's an oddity day.
Today is an oddity adventure day.
Yeah.
We're at Windward Walls.
Windward Walls.
We were told this by when we were doing
At the boat.
in the Russian boat. They said if you're going to be here, you ought to come down and experience this. So here we are. Don't know what we're experiencing, but
I think it's art.
it's very artistic.
Like all the outside of the building.
Windward
That's
Walls
the walls.
shop.
That's an exit.
And the reason why we stay, we fly around like paper planes, they never know.
Apparently we've entered into the selfie zone. Look how vivid those colors are.
They wanna tear us apart. There's something different.
I love art stuff. This is a great find. It's just cool, like all the different formats and how people are expressing themselves.
The colors are just so vibrant, like on all the things.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup.
I think what I love about that saying right there is that making videos and telling a story in an art form is like my imagination coming alive. So all of this stuff is like really cool, eclectic. Just being true to who you are when you're creating. A lot of that comes in the form of videos.
We never had the end of this real. I think we're searching for reasons not to.
Everywhere you turn, there's another noise. They just started a little band session over here just out of nowhere.
Miami is very much a sensory overload.
It is.
City, I think, like just the sounds and the noise and
Everything.
the vibrant colors.
We got to eat at Sheila's favorite taco place. What was that? It was Ковьо taco. And it was fabulous, actually. I forgot all about it. We were here 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Man, that was wonderful. Oh look, the bus tours are stopping, dropping people off at this mural
Windward
location.
Walls.
Yeah. On to the next. I don't know what we're going to do now, but
More sights and sounds.
more sights and sounds it is. Big tour bus. Literally, big bus tour. Our tour continues. I didn't know we were doing a tour today, apparently. We're just out on adventure day.
Just out to sea.
So we are going to look at
a nice walk.
𝐫𝐵𝐴Z𝐻.
Yeah, 𝐫𝐵𝐴Z𝐻.
I'm learning all these new things, like these different geography places. But apparently this is an old lighthouse down here, if you've ever wondered what's at the tip down here in Miami. We are at the tip, right?
We'll just go with that.
I finally worn you down. Oh goodness. This looks cool. Finishing up this wonderful little walk we're on, and Sheila's like, "You want fun facts?" Sheila, she goes, there's still houses out there.
It's actually called Stiltsville.
Okay, she's gonna give you some fun facts. Give them the fun facts about Stiltsville. I bet you didn't know that was in Miami, because I sure didn't.
I believe that there used to be more. Those were erected in the Prohibition era, and people would go out there to be able to have gambling and alcohol.
Seems appropriate, and that way they were off land and out in the water, so therefore they didn't fall underneath the guidelines. We think that's the whole story, but we don't know for sure.
And I hear maybe they're on the historical national, and you can kayak to them. We should get our kayaks and go out there.
We should have brought the kayaks, Sheila. Instead we're walking on the seawall and it'd fall into the water. You know what though?
Don't fall, that's coral would hurt.
Coral would hurt. You know what? I honestly think right now they're being used for hot yoga.
No.
You go out there and you bake in the sun, and it's all enclosed, and it's hot yoga. Just a bunch of sweaty people doing yoga.
No.
That's what they are. Hot yoga, Stiltsville.
I think they're onto something though, because those would be fun
Airbnbs type thing.
type of thing.
Why don't we have that in the States?
I don't know.
Because that would be
kind
of
of
neat.
Just take a little boat out
I'm going to
there.
go with hot yoga. I think hot yoga would be great there. I'm on to something. Whew, it's 82 today. All our family's back home freezing, but today
Yeah, they're getting.
I'm getting
like
sweaty.
A foot of snow. Sorry. Look at the turquoise.
Sorry. We're off to our next little stop. Where I don't know. It's like the tour of Miami today. Switching
No,
it up.
Not.
Well, not. It's all the minor, like stuff you never think of, kind of.
Out.
Out. We're out.
Enjoying the sun.
That's what Switch It Up's about. You just got to be out.
Get out there.
Get out. Aw, we're finishing up our day in Miami, running around.
Yeah.
I hope you thought this was eventful.
We enjoyed seeing the day out in Miami.
We really actually like this little area because we came down here, was it like 5 years ago? Kind of walked around, we were here for an event, and it just brings back a lot of memories. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's I love being right by the water. We went to South Beach last time we were here, and we took a boat ride out to see the mansions.
Yep, which was fun. Yeah, that was with Tyler and Brianna, right?
I think so, and there's just a lot to do in this town. I like, as Allison would say, it has a cool vibe.
It's noisy.
It is
Miami, there's energy everywhere. We had to come all the way out here just to get away from all the noise.
The energy.
Because it's super.
But she likes the vibe, and I agree. I like the vibe of this city
this
as
is
well.
just, I don't know, it's just cool. The whole thing's cool.
I think you should come and visit. I don't think I would live here. It's a little too much for me.
It is. It's a lot going on.
Yeah, but it's definitely worth a visit. Things to see.
Now it's starting to rain on us. Don't mean to rain on our parade, but I think it might be time for us to go. So this was a hangout day. Hopefully you enjoyed hanging out.
Just thanks for hanging out with us.
Yeah, that was it. It's a hangout day.
Who knows what we're going to do next?
You do.
Oh,
She
yeah.
knows. She generally knows. So I have no clue, but it's all good.
I think we're gonna get in a yak. Going yakking.
All right, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, be a doer of all things. Thanks for tuning in. And as always, there's a video right around the corner. So with all that being said, I guess we are